Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the sealant pump for the Tusk First Line Tire Sealant and Balancer 5-gallon pail. Let's get into it. To start out, we've laid out all of the parts on the table. We're going to be using some common sizes of combo wrenches, number 3 Phillips, and we've got some pliers as well. So to get this done, we're going to start out by installing this valve stem into this outside larger hole on the red metal cover. Now for the pump, I'm going to loosen up this locking collar. We're going to pull that rod up just a little bit, put the spacer on, then we're going to screw the handle on the top. I'm going to go till that bottom's out, and I'm going to tighten that collar up just a little bit. And we'll give that handle one last snug. Then what we want to do is make sure that this collar is all the way up against the spacer. We'll give that one last final tighten. And now we need to connect our hose to that. So we're going to remove this cap. And we're going to go ahead and tighten that up. Then we have this quarter turn valve already installed. We're just going to make sure everything's tightened down. And with that good, we need to assemble a quick connector. I'm going to thread these pieces together and tighten them down. So this quick connector is for a valve stem. We're just going to clip this into the standard quick connector. On the pail, we're going to remove the pull tab and then remove the lid. Then with the red metal cover, we're going to back these 3 screws all the way off. Set that on top of the pail and then snug those up so it sits securely on the top. Next, we're going to make sure this clamping screw is backed off. We're going to take the pump and slide it down into the pail. You want to go all the way down and then pull it up about a 1/4 inch and tighten the clamp. Now to prime the pump, you're going to clip that quick connector onto your valve stem, and we're going to pump the handle until we see fluid coming all the way through. There you have it. We're primed and ready to go with this sealant pump. If you have any questions about assembly or anything else, leave those down in the comments. If you need to pick one of these up or some tire sealant, we have that available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.